I just wanted to do a quick video of how to solve one of these spiders. I'm going to be working on spider number 2, and we'll see if I do the whole thing or not. But basically each box, we want to fill it in with pieces of data that will make this piece in the middle true. Alright, so what I would do first is make sure my data is in numerical order. So 2, 3, 6, and 7. Okay, so looking at this, we want to make each of these true. So let's start with mode. We want mode to be 6. I'm missing 2 pieces of data. So what can I make these 2 pieces of data be so that my mode is 6? I would need at least one to be 6. I can make them both 6, or I can make 6 and 7, 6 and 3, 6 and -2. Doesn't matter. My mode, I want the most repeated one to be 6. Okay, so here I want my mode to be 4. I'm missing 2 pieces of data. I don't have any 4s, so both of these pieces of data have to be 4. I'm going to circle this one. This can be any number. Actually, not any number. I can't make it 7, 2, or 3 because then it would be bimodal. So let's put that down, except 2, 3, and 7. Bimodal means that there are, bi means 2. So bimodal means that there would be 2 modes. So if I want there to be 2 modes, basically what I would have to do is make sure I have 2 sets of the same number. So I could do, if I want my mode to be 2, I could have another 2 in there. And then I could do a 7. And so now my modes would be 2 and 7. Okay, so that takes care of all the modes. Let's go to the median. Alright, so my median, if I want my median to be 5, I have 2, 3, 6, and 7. If I want my median to be 5, what I need to do is have, let's see, what could I do? I could do a couple of different things. I could do a 4 and a 6. And what that would do is I would have 2, 3, 4, 6, 6, 7. And my median would be between 4 and 6. So that would give me 5. We could also make both of these 5s, and then my median would be a 5. I think that's pretty much our only options to make a median of 5. I don't know, we could play with it some more. Or we could do a 4 and then anything after 7, because you would do your 4 and 6. So yeah, there's a bunch of different ways to do that. Okay, a median of 6.5. So let's see, we have 2, 3, 6, and 7. So what we might want to do is put a 5 here, and then anything greater than 7 or anything greater than 6 even could go to the right. So we want a 5. And then anything greater than 6 would mean I would have to do 5 plus 6 and divide by 2 to get 6.5. So we could do anything we wanted. Let's just do 8 for fun. Okay, range. I want my range to be 5, which means my largest number minus my smallest number has to be 5. So if I look, if I do 7 minus 2, I've got 5. So So I can't go any higher or lower than 7 and 2. So anything between 7 and 2 would work. So we could do a 3 and a 4. All right, and then we get into mean, and mean I think is my favorite. Okay, so let's say I want a mean of 5. That means I want to add everything up and divide it, and it equals 5. So if I look, I have 2 plus 3 plus 7 plus 6 plus something divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equals 5. Okay, so then I'm going to multiply 6 and 5 and get 30. So I have 2 plus 3 plus 7 plus 6 plus blank equals 30. And then I'm going to subtract. So this is, we're going to subtract all of these from 30. So it's 10, 11, 12, 18. We have something plus something equals 12. So then I just need two numbers that add to give me 12. Doesn't matter what it is. We could do 2 and 10. You could do 6 and 6, 5 and 7. I don't care as long as it adds up to 12, because that's what we are missing in order to get a mean of 6, or in order for our total to add up to 30, so we can get a mean of 6. Okay, this time we want a mean of 6, so we're going to do the same process. We're going to add all of our stuff, divided by 6 equals 6. Okay, so that's 2 plus 3 plus 7 plus 6 plus something plus something. Okay, we'll add all that up. That's 18 plus blank. 6 times 6 is 36. We'll subtract the 18. Something plus something equals 18. Now, I don't care what numbers you pick as long as it adds to 18. You can do 9 and 9, 10 and 8, 7 and 11. 12 and 6, I don't care, as long as it adds to 18. Alright, I hope this helped. There's a lot of different answers to a lot of these. It's more thinking than anything, a little bit of algebra in there. So just do the best you can. Good luck, and hit me up if you have any questions. You guys have a great evening.